Racing Jens is started with Grace Park Boy. Break quickly to start is Storm Apple is on the outside. The next online San Tropea. Then followed now by Double Rank. And on the outside is Precious Jewel. Then down on the inside now is Tubata Rips Sampalok Baby. In the middle portion and going along for the first turn we have a Storm Apple by about 3 lengths, and in second is Grace Park Boy. San Tropez is racing in third. Tubata Rips is down in fourth, and in fifth comes Double Red. Precious Jewel comes next. Then here comes Lord J. Now moving up, the next one is Sampalok Baby. Casablanca comes next, then followed by Chocolate Brownies. Alongside comes Silver Screen. In the fourth turn, we have Storm Apple enjoying a 2 lengths lead. San Tropez. Then here comes Lord J. Now coming closer to take second. And Diana entering the home stretch. Here is Storm Apple. Moving up on the outside is Lord G. And I says it's my turn to take the lead. We have Lord G by about 3 lengths, followed by a Storm Apple. Tubata Rips. Grace Park Boy comes next. Last 75 meters. Jackie Jomel Lazaro on Lord G. Second, Tubata Rips. Storm Apple. Then comes Hidden
Okay, bayang Karisa for this race number 7. Ating pong unofficial winner, your favorite entry number 9, that is Lord G. Masa segundo po, numero 5, Tubata Reeves. Darating tercer.